Professors, faculty, colleagues, my dear residents, and everyone present here today. I planned on speaking spontaneously initially, but I would have definitely missed some important points. Hence, I have written a short note, and with your permission, I'd like to read out loud. I stand in this podium to bid farewell for the second time. As Anu ma'am had previously mentioned, the first time was in the year 2020 when I completed my residency from Telangana. And after 3 years, I got an opportunity to be a part of this amazing institute again as an orbit oculoplasty and ocular oncology fellow. Thank you, Anu ma'am, Ellie ma'am, and Purnia ma'am for accepting my application. This one-year journey was filled with learning, growth, and countless moments of inspiration. I did have some moments of stress though. The 7 months duration when I was the only fellow was the toughest, with back-to-back presentations and hectic duties. I was incredibly also blessed to have a baby in the second month of my fellowship, but sleepless nights made presentation preparations and my duties more challenging. The learning was unlimited with clinics, operation theatre, and presentations, but it didn't just limit there. I got a chance to be involved in NESOSCON 2024, both as a speaker and as a part of entertainment organizing committee. I also got an opportunity to contribute in surgical camps, but in later phase of my fellowship, with 2 camps 1 month apart, one just few days back. Thank you, Rosna ma'am, for trusting in me during crisis. Hope I have delivered up to your expectations. I want to now start a series of appreciation. First and foremost, my backbone, my family. Thank you, Dad, Mom, my wife, sister. Without their support, I couldn't have achieved anything. I want to thank Rita ma'am for her support, and thank you, Anu ma'am. You had always been supportive since my residency days, which continued even in my fellowship. Keep singing, ma'am. You have a beautiful voice. Thank you, Ellie ma'am. She's not here today. You have always been approachable. You always think of ways in helping your fellows. You carry a lot of positivity with you. Thank you for all the support. Thank you, Sujana ma'am, for your support. I want to thank our dear respected Professor Dr. Rohit Soinju for all your teachings in presentations and operation theatre, sir. Your mere presence is charismatic. You have always been an inspiration to me, sir. I feel honored to have shared NESOSCON singing stage with you. Your voice is amazing, sir. I want to take this opportunity to show my gratitude and a note of thanks to our head of department, Purnima ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous support. The way you are leading our department to new heights is commendable. Your energy and passion for helping the needy is unmatchable. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunities time and again in meeting great oculoplastic personas like Dr. Gangadhar, Dr. Kelvin, Dr. Naresh Joshi, Dr. Alice, Dr. Stephanie, and Dr. Santiago. Thank you, Malta Didi, always beautiful and always energetic. Thank you for your care and teachings. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you, Hongdai. You were always ready to teach no matter how stupid of a question I asked. You are great in academics and a perfectionist in surgery. I have learned a lot from you. Thank you, my gorgeous, smart co-host Diksha Didi. You always cared for me as a brother. Whenever there was a long case pending in late afternoon in the OT, she always used to say, "Zo, ki kha raha ho?" That felt special. Thank you, dear Shushan, everybody's favorite, Mr. Smiley, always approachable and always ready to help. No one is perfect, but if there is someone close to perfection, it's you. He's hearing from Nijgar. Thank you, my senior fellows, Dr. Anushree, Dr. Harshika, for the support in my initial days. And thank you, my junior fellows, Dr. Sebanta, Dr. Shiblang, and Dr. Nafisa. You guys have been amazing colleagues. Thank you again, my wonderful oculoplastic department. Your expertise and insights will be missed, but your contributions will leave a lasting legacy. Thank you all the faculty and fellows for all the help. Due to time restraint, I won't be able to name everyone. My apologies. All of you are amazing. Thank you all the members of FNY, that is Fellows and Yellows group. I had great evening times with all of you. Thank you, dear residents, for all your support. All the best to the outgoing batch. Do make us proud. I also want to take this opportunity to congratulate my batchmate, Dr. Mika, for completing our first year 1-year fellowship in medical retina and uvea. Best wishes ahead. Thank you Shobha Didi, Sharda Didi, CK Didi, Navina Didi for all the help and support. Thanks to Dr. Prakriti and the anesthesia team. Thank you Fanindu Dai for your help and guidance. Thank you Anjali. Library time was fun because of you. Thank you Shyam, Babita. Thank you Dinesh Dai. You are always present to meet, always motivating. Thanks to all the ophthalmic assistant students. Teaching them made me learn more. And thanks to all the staffs of OT, OPD, especially Sharmila and Muna sister, IT, account, research, guards and cleaners. Now we take a different paths in life, but no matter where we go, we will take a little of each other everywhere. Having said that, time has come for me to bid farewell to all of you wonderful people. Today, I part my ways with you, but with a promise of meeting in the future. सधैँ सधैँ आइरहन्छ तिम्रो यादहरू. Thank you for your valuable time. Happy Losar and Happy New Year 2025. May God bless you all.